Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you are all fine and good. So lovely viewers, today you will see in this video most beautiful and stylish. You will see unique girls pop with bangs, haircuts, ideas. Fabulous and attractive, you will see unique, modern girls bob with bangs, haircuts, hair colors, and hairstyles ideas. So, lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So, guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. And you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. Today you will see in this videos very attractive and very stylish unique girls bob with bangs, haircuts, ideas, decent tight haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas in 2023. So guys, I might suggest that just keep on watching these videos till the end. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Marvelous and stylish, unique short bob with bangs, haircuts, ideas. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. You will see in these videos modern and attractive bob with bangs, haircuts designs. So if you like my videos, so watch my full videos and share my videos. So dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish, attractive haircuts designs. Today you will see in this videos very beautiful and very stylish, modern girls bob with bangs, haircuts, ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Gorgeous and stylish, you will see unique, stylish haircuts designs. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Fabulous and stylish, attractive haircuts. So take